Before we get started, I wanted to have a quick word with you about the words you use on your website. First, this course is not intended to be a messaging course. If you think you need help getting your message right, or you want to know what section should absolutely be included on your website, I think you should look no further than StoryBrand.com. They have workshops, they have Business Made Simple online where you can learn the framework. They also have StoryBrand certified coaches and StoryBrand certified guides who will help walk you through that messaging process. And I get zero affiliate dollars for sending you their way. I just believe StoryBrand is one of the most understandable and powerful ways to get your business message right. And if you click the link below, I'll even send you a free copy of Building a Story Brand, the book, so you can walk yourself through that process. If you choose to go that route, or you just are already using the StoryBrand framework, here are a few of the things that I do see people getting wrong on their website that are related to messaging. And sometimes it's just that you're not doing this all the time, so you're not used to it. So if you reach out to either do a live workshop or work with a StoryBrand certified coach or StoryBrand certified guide, they can usually spot these things right away and help you remedy them. A lot of them are also willing to work with you on an hourly basis so they can help you see where you might be getting these things wrong. A few of the things that we see happen on the reg is that you don't pull all of the pieces from your story from the framework into your website. So maybe you filled out all 7 sections of the framework worksheet, or guides helped you do that. If you have, then just make sure you're pulling something from each section and putting that on the homepage of your website. The other thing is your story might lack cohesion, and this can happen no matter what framework you're using. So maybe you're talking about too many problems, or you're offering too many solutions, and that can get fuzzy and confusing for your reader. Or maybe the solution you're using isn't matching the problem that you've put together. So for example, if you're talking about a problem of having trouble finding a date, and the solution that you're offering is how to get more quality time with family and friends, those two things don't really match, so the story doesn't make sense. A better problem you would be solving is a lack of companionship, and then a solution of how to spend more quality time with family and friends makes a lot of sense. Or if the problem really is finding a date, a better solution would be, here's how to find a date you love. That makes sense? So the solution needs to match the problem you're talking about. What we are going to talk about in this course related to messaging are pieces we see missing all the time, and I'm talking about messaging sections that are essential for getting results. We'll also talk about some of your audience and how your message might be related to pulling the right people in at the right time. When it comes to messaging, that's what we will and will not be covering in this course. And if you would like a StoryBrand certified coach or StoryBrand certified guide to review the messaging work you've already done, I've got some friends that I've linked to below that you can use, and I trust their work fully. You can also see a full list of the StoryBrand certified coaches and StoryBrand certified guides that are available to help you at marketingmadesimple.com. All right, well, that's enough about messaging. Let's hop right into getting website traffic. See you there.